Now the second method of preparation, hydroboration, oxidation reaction. Here again propene addition, but here you are adding a different addendum. Here the reagent used is B2H6 followed by, first reagent you use is B2H6, which is called diborane. Diborane is nothing but a dimer of BH3, boron hydride. It's not stable because it is a group 13 compound. Group 13 compounds are all having no octet. They do not have octet structure. They have two electrons less than octet structure. So they will exist as dimers. Followed by hydrogen peroxide in the presence of base. Okay. That will produce alcohol. But here again we are using unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical alkene, water, if you add directly, you will get to propene. If you add water directly, you will add OH attached in 2 position. But here you will get OH attached in 1 position. We'll see how it happens. You divide BH3 into 2 parts, BH2 and H. Now you connect H to this carbon, second carbon, and BH2 to this carbon. Remove the double bond. So what you get? CH becomes CH2. This is CH3, CH2, H attached. Already one H is there, one more H, CH2, and another CH2 here, end carbon. And to this you attach BH2. Now this will undergo addition reaction with the propene as long as there is hydrogen here. So first step, one hydrogen is removed and got connected to alkyl part. Second step, what happens? Write one more alkene, the same alkene. Now here what you do, you remove the double bond as usual and remove one H from here and connect it here. And this entire part you connect to this carbon. So as a result, what happens is this alkyl part, from here you get one alkyl part. From this again, this propene gets converted into second alkyl part. So what happens? When the hydrogen reduces, alkyl part increases. CH3, CH2, CH2, twice B, H. See, in this step, 3 hydrogens were there. One got substituted by alkyl group. So we got BH2. You removed one more H, alkyl part doubled. Now third step, what you do? You take one more alkene. Okay. Now you remove one more H, put it here. So and remove the double bond. And this part you connect here. So what happens? Alkyl part becomes 3 times. Thrice. And now you are not left out with any H, B. So now what happens? In 3 steps, all the hydrogens are substituted by alkyl groups. So trialkyl boron we get. Now last step is, to this you just break this using hydrogen peroxide. 3 moles of hydrogen peroxide you need in the presence of a base. It's a base catalyzed reaction. Now what happens? You break this hydrogen peroxide for your understanding. Let me show you. Hydrogen peroxide is having a structure like this. It has a peroxy linkage. Peroxy linkage means oxygen is connected by single bond. You break it here. In one molecule, if it breaks here, for every one molecule of this, you need 3 molecules of this, 1:3 ratio. So from 1 unit, you are getting 2 OH means from 3 units, you get 6 OH. So what you do? Out of the 6 OH, 3 OH, you connect 1 OH to each of the alkyl groups. 3 alkyl groups are there, no? To one propyl group, we attach 1 OH. That means what? Get 3 alcohol units. Plus the other 3 OH, you write it this way, H3O3. And in between the two, you sandwich this B. So what you get, the other product is orthoboric acid. It's a byproduct, H3BO3. And the main product is propan 1-ol. Sorry. So the first method of preparation, we got propan 2-ol. Here from propene only we started. The second method, hydroboration, we got propan 1-ol. So this can be used in conversion. See, when they ask you conversion like this, convert propene to propan 2-ol. You can use hydration reaction. First method, water addition. You just write propene. In conversions, you need not show the steps, individual steps. Just write the reagent. What reagent we used? Water in the presence of H+. Just Markovnikov addition, right? Double bond. So you get propan 2-ol. Just like that, if you show, it is enough. To the same propene, if you add BH3 first, B2H6 followed by hydrogen peroxide 3 moles in the presence of OH minus. Just write 1, 2 like this and write propan 1-ol. It's enough. So conversions, 2-step conversion. Understood? So we will stop here for today. Understood all of you? Any doubt?